You know that my luck isn't always the best. I'm kind of day late and a dollar short and everything. First Ford truck, yep. They came out with the suicide doors the month after I bought it. Bought my next F-150, came out with the EcoBoost 2 months after, right? Well, now I decided to buy a 250, and what do they come up with? They made this keypad for 100 years. This year they discontinued it. $200 option for this little stick-on little piece of junk. Everybody's complained about it and they've gone away from it, right? Well, I'm getting rid of it today. This thing is stupid. It's gonna cost me some money, but let's get it done. This thing is just, get rid of it. So we're going to Retro Customs here. They're supposed to hook me up and get it going. So, man, just can't get a break, can the kid? Now then, that's more like it. Look at that. Isn't that much better looking than this? What the heck were they thinking? Ford, you gotta do better, man. Come on. I know it's the biggest selling pickup truck, yada, 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 all that. But yeah, stop cutting corners. I paid $200 for that. That was a $200 option installed by the dealer. No. So, Retro Customs, West Palm got that fixed. Looks much better. Look at that truck. Much clean. So, stop nickel and dime us. This looks 100% better.